Alright guys, welcome back to this channel. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing and turn on the bell notification button so that anytime I drop videos you'll be notified by YouTube. In this video I'll be showing you step by step on how you can create your own YouTube subscription button. Many people go to Fiverr asking people to paying people to create YouTube subscription button for them, but in this video I'll be showing you step by step how you can create it free of charge without paying a dime. First, you go to, for those who don't know what I mean by YouTube subscription button, this is what I mean. This subscription button, most of the time when you're watching YouTube videos, you see this button come up when people say subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification. So I'm going to show you step by step on how you can create your own YouTube subscription button for your YouTube videos. So first of all, you go to this website called pexels.com and look for any YouTube subscription video. Make sure you click on video, then search for YouTube subscribe. So it will give you different YouTube subscription buttons. So you choose the one you want. Let's say we click here. Let's say we want to choose from these ones. We click on them. Then it opens this place. We have a variety of them to choose from. So let's look for the one we want to choose from. Wow, I can't even see this one's well. So let's look for another one I want to choose. Okay, let's look from here. It's becoming clearer. Let's look for the subscription button we want to choose for here. Okay, let's say we want to choose this one. You click on it. So if you click continue with purchase, you will be asked to pay. So we don't want to pay, so we'll come here, click on preview, then click on download. So now that we have downloaded our video, our subscription video, what do? This background, this green background, we need to remove the green background. So what do? We take our video to our Camtasia Studio. We open your Camtasia Studio and import the video there. So when you bring in the video, then you bring it to the timeline. Let's play it and see. You can see it, but we cannot use it like this with this background, so we need to remove this background. So what do? We click on visual properties on the Camtasia Studio, then you scroll down, click on remove color. We click on remove color. Can you see that the green color has been removed? So you can now size it anyhow you like so that it will not be at the center. When you are playing your video, it should be at the bottom of your video. So let's play it again. Can you see it? Now you can produce your video. So you saw when it's at the end of it, you saw the iStock watermark. So we can remove the iStock watermark by cutting off that place. So you drag this and cut off the iStock watermark. So now we cannot have the watermark. So when we play it, can you see it? This is the simplest way you can produce your YouTube subscription button. So Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification so that anytime I drop videos like this, you'll be notified by YouTube. Thank you.